Hey everyone, what's up? We're about to kick off an adventure across the good old US of A. We're talking iconic landmarks, breathtaking views, and those gotta-see-it-to-believe-it spots that make America, well, America! We're diving headfirst into the heart of this country, from coast to coast, to uncover the top 10 tourist destinations that should be on everyone's bucket list. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just looking for an epic escape, this video is your golden ticket. So buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready to explore. Alright, let's kick things off with a bang. The Grand Canyon. This place is like staring into the soul of the earth. Seriously, pictures don't do it justice. You gotta be here, standing on the edge, feeling that wind in your face, to truly understand the scale of this natural wonder. It's a mile deep, 277 miles long, and millions of years in the making. You could spend a lifetime exploring its trails, viewpoints, and hidden corners, and still be blown away every single day. Next up, we're heading to Yellowstone, America's first national park. This place is like stepping onto another planet. Geysers erupt from the earth, bison roam free, and the air is thick with the scent of pine trees. Did you know that Yellowstone is home to more geysers than anywhere else on the planet? Yeah, it's basically a giant, bubbling, steaming testament to the power of nature. Don't miss Old Faithful, the park's most famous resident, erupting like clockwork. From the wilds of Wyoming, we're hitting the East Coast, New York City, baby. And what's more iconic than the Statue of Liberty? This symbol of freedom and democracy has been welcoming immigrants and inspiring hope for over a century. But here's a little secret. You can actually climb all the way to the crown of the Statue of Liberty. Imagine the view, the wind whipping through your hair, the city sprawling beneath you. It's an experience you won't forget. Hold on to your Mickey Mouse ears, folks, because we're off to the happiest place on earth, Walt Disney World. This sprawling wonderland is a dream come true for kids and kids at heart. From thrilling rides to enchanting shows, there's something for everyone. And if you're lucky enough to be there during one of their legendary festivals, like Epcot's Food and Wine Festival or Mickey's Not-So-Scary Halloween Party, you're in for a real treat. Trust me, it's pure magic. Get ready for sensory overload because we're diving headfirst into the dazzling chaos of Times Square. Giant billboards, flashing lights, street performers, and a million people all crammed into one crazy intersection. The best time to experience the full-on Times Square madness? New Year's Eve, of course. But be warned, you'll be standing shoulder to shoulder with a million of your closest friends. Okay, picture this. I'm biking across the Golden Gate Bridge, the wind in my hair, the sun setting over the Pacific. It was magical. This bridge isn't just a way to get from point A to point B, it's an experience. Whether you walk, bike, or drive across it, that moment when the fog parts and you see the Golden Gate Bridge in all its glory, pure magic. What happens in Vegas, stays in Vegas. But the memories you make exploring the Strip, those you get to keep. This neon-drenched wonderland is home to some of the world's most over-the-top hotels, casinos, and shows. Pro tip. For the best photo op on the Strip, head to the Bellagio fountains at night. The water show is mesmerizing, and the backdrop of the Eiffel Tower and the dancing fountains, pure Instagram gold. Get ready to be blown away by the sheer power of Niagara Falls. This natural wonder is actually 3 waterfalls straddling the border of the US and Canada. And let me tell you, the roar of the water, the mist rising into the air, it's an experience that will stay with you. And while you're here, take a ride on the Maid of the Mist boat tour. You'll get up close and personal with the falls, and trust me, you're gonna get soaked. But hey, it's all part of the fun. Carved into the granite of the Black Hills, Mount Rushmore is more than just a monument, it's a symbol of American history and ambition. Seeing the faces of Washington, Jefferson, Roosevelt, and Lincoln towering over the landscape is truly awe-inspiring. And the best part? Mount Rushmore is incredibly accessible. There are plenty of viewing platforms, trails, and even a visitor center designed to enhance your experience. And finally, no trip to the USA is complete without a stroll down the Hollywood Walk of Fame. This iconic sidewalk is a tribute to the biggest names in entertainment, from movie stars to musicians to directors. It's a chance to rub elbows with legends, well, their names at least, and soak up the glitz and glamour of Hollywood. Keep your eyes peeled for your favorite stars, and don't forget to snap a selfie with your favorite icon. And that's a wrap on our whirlwind tour of the USA's top 10 tourist destinations. From the natural wonders of the Grand Canyon to the bright lights of Times Square, this country has something for everyone. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your next adventure today. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more travel tips and adventures, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a beat. Until next time, keep exploring.